And special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this fly repellent fan. You may be wondering exactly how this works, which basically it's lightweight, reflective fan blades, noiseless, chemical free. You can hang it and it repels flies. As you can see, if you put it in front of some food and you had this turned on, the spinning and the wind with the reflection from the fan would keep away flies from landing on your food. This one has a 1200 milliamp hour battery, as well as a low gear and a high gear. So let's open this up, show you what it looks like. So inside of the box, nothing else in there. So little instruction manual here, kind of tells you how to use it. An included micro USB cable so that you can charge the device. This is essentially your fan blade, and then these kind of go on here to snap together and hold on your fan blade. Put it together real quick. It is hangable, so you can open up this to hang it. Your micro USB port for charging is right here, and this is just your on and off switch. So to put it together, you literally just kind of take this piece, put onto there, take this and put on to here. You take this part and put on to here. And so there you go. Now, once this is charged up, this would spin and would keep flies away from your food. Thanks again to this company for sending me this fly repellent fan. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next unboxing. Deuces.